Good evening, everybody. I hope all is well. It's almost 2 o'clock in the morning. Once again, I'm cooking in a van. Tonight's dinner, bacon wrapped steak. Hell yeah. I believe some people call that filet mignon. I don't know. Fucking never had it. Thought I'd try it. Looks good, so I'm gonna give it a shot. Got that frying in the pan. I know the best way to cook them is on a grill, but hey, I'm in a van right now. I've got a bowl of water in the microwave I've heated up for the taters. I'm gonna have me some garlic mashed taters with it. I think it's gonna be a pretty good meal. So that's what tonight's episode of What Can I Cook in a Van. Be back shortly with more results. And there you have it, folks. Steak and taters, all cooked right here in the van. I'm gonna dig in. I hope all is well, and until next time, happy trails.